Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into a tricky problem that many C++ developers may encounter. The problem at hand involves a code snippet that behaves differently on different versions of the GCC compiler, causing unexpected results. This issue arises due to the implicit conversion of a custom class to a C string, which is needed to maintain compatibility with existing code. Let's explore this problem further and see how we can resolve it to ensure consistent behavior across compiler versions. Now let's focus on the solution to this problem. In this case, the solution lies in explicitly calling the conversion operator to ensure the desired behavior. By using the code snippet code auto as equals std a move a operator string code, we can specifically invoke the move conversion operator and create a stead string from the rvalue reference of the custom class. This approach allows us to bypass the issue with implicit conversions and ensure that the move constructor is called as intended. To wrap it all up, we have successfully addressed the discrepancy in behavior between compiler versions by directly invoking the conversion operator for creating a stead string from the custom class. By following this approach, we can maintain the expected outcome and ensure that our code functions consistently across different environments. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any funny coding anecdotes you'd like to share. Happy coding!